Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a wig review. I just wanted to say that I am first of all happy to see all of you guys back here. I feel like there's been a lot of weird things going on and it just feels like it's one thing after the other, after the other, after the other. All I want to tell you guys is I hope you guys are staying safe out there and I hope that you're using this time to do something productive. Maybe learn a skill, maybe clean your house, clean your car, spend some time with your family, just anything that's going to help not only keep your mind away from all this craziness, but also to keep your sanity. So I'm praying for you guys and I want you guys to pray for me as well so that we can all come out of this on top. With that being said, today's video is a wig review and install. You guys know that I usually don't do colors at all, but the last time I did a colored wig, it was long with some beautiful highlights. You guys really liked it, and a lot of you guys suggested that I do something short for summertime. So I heard you guys, and I'm here with exactly that. So with that being said, today's video is sponsored by Premier Hair, and this is what the box looks like. And today's hair is going to be a short, curly, colorful bob. Not really colorful, it's just highlights, kind of like the one I did before. I'm afraid of colors when it comes to hair. I usually do black or brown or back to black. So I'm not really into the colored wigs yet, but we're working our way there. So let's start with some highlights first. So this is what our hair looks like. First of all, the first thing I can tell about this hair is that it's very shiny. This is a lace frontal, y'all. So this is what it looks like. It looks like the knots are already bleached. Whenever you see the knots looking like that, when they're not like black, that means it has been bleached. So that is a great thing because that saves you a lot of time, especially for those of you guys who don't know how to do it. And it also saves a lot of time for people who do know how to do it. So first thing first, the hair is really, really soft. It looks like the elastic band is already installed. So again, that makes it easy. You can also take it out because it's kind of like a bra strap. So you can take it out and put it back on. It's like that on both sides. And then with this, there's also a comb right here in the back. There's a comb in the middle there. And then there are also two more combs here. So your wig is going to be secured. I already have my stacking cap on, so I'm going to take my little headband thing off. I think this is a middle part, but the way my hair is braided, it's actually meant for a side part, but we'll see. Okay. Wow. This is nice and big enough to fit any head. That's a good thing. Okay, so without even doing anything, I already like it. I love the color. This is my color, y'all. I'm gonna stick to this color. Any other color, I feel like it looks weird on me, or maybe it's just in my head, but this color always looks, I guess, nice on me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace and we'll start installing. All right, we'll cut the back lace as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that tag off. There we go. So whenever I have a hair with the elastic band, this is the back of the hair and this is the front of it. So I like to turn it upside down like that, grab my elastic band, put the band on my head first, slide the back of my hair to the back, and then flip it over like that. This side or this side or this side. I usually don't like middle parts, so I'm not going to be wearing this in the middle. Or should I? Oh, I think it's actually a side part. Yeah, it is a side part. I like this a lot. Okay, so I have some hair clips here. This one and this one. I'm going to go ahead and clip the hair back just to get it out of the way so that I can install it. Oh my god, you guys, this is a really, really nice hair. Some curly hair I wouldn't recommend too much, but this one is beautiful. I have my got to be glued here. Gonna go ahead and spray. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down to help enforce the glue. Okay, y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this scarf off. Let's see if our hair is ready. Okay, I think it's ready. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. This is about to be my favorite wig. Oh my God. This is beautiful. I feel like this side is a little long, but I would hate to cut it because, oh, okay, it's kind of in an angle. See that? That's how it's cut. That's why it looks like that. Okay. So I would hate to cut it just because I don't want to mess it up. Even the part is made. The part is already made. The knot is bleached. The lace is plugged. I mean, you guys. I usually don't like to say it, but I think this is one of my favorite wigs. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I am almost out. All right, so I have a little bit. I'm just gonna rub it in the front because I want the hair to go towards the back. On this side as well. Okay, so I have the leave-in conditioner in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of water and just spray it on just to style it. I don't even want to do baby hairs to this because it looks like it already has some. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of cutting just on this side. There we go. Go ahead and change my earrings. I'm gonna be wearing these. This is my hair, y'all. Look how natural that looks. This is so cute. But very lightweight, which is weird because usually you get one benefit or the other. Okay, family, alrighty, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video again. If you are interested in this wig, I'll go ahead and leave all the info down below, and I'll also leave a discount code for you guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.